Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren, and today, which is March 25th, we are going to start planting some seeds directly into our containers for our spring garden. The seeds I'm going to be sowing today are watercress, broccoli rabe, spinach, merlot lettuce, radishes, and I have two different kinds here, Easter egg and cherry bell, arugula, bok choy, parsnips, rainbow carrots, peas, cilantro, and if I had it here with me, which I don't pick up for a couple of days, is tatsoi. You can plant that out now. Now, it's still pretty chilly outside. There is a potential for frost still, but these right here will do just fine. They can handle a little light frost. They can handle even a little bit of snow, and they're just pretty hardy. They're nice, cold weather crops. So let's get these in our garden. Now the first thing we're gonna wanna do is prepare our containers. Now I have some dead stalks left from last season that I need to pull out, and we're just gonna throw these in the compost pile. Then I'm going to kind of move all of this old straw into our compost pile as well. When you're planting seeds, you do not want any straw on top until the seedlings emerge, because the straw will prevent the seeds from germinating and breaking through the surface. Now that I have pretty much all the straw out, I'm just going to kind of break up the top layer of soil with my little rake here, just to kind of loosen it so that those seeds have plenty of space and light soil to start germinating and sending their roots through. Now in this container, I'm going to be planting sugar snap peas. So what I'm going to do is just kind of move some of this soil away from the edge. These peas are going to climb up this wire grate right here. So I'm just going to plop a few seeds around the edge here, like that. And then I'm just going to cover them back over with the loosened soil. Now we did have a lot of rain last night, so this soil is very wet, but I'm still going to water these in when I'm done with the hose. So now I'm going to continue just pulling out the dead debris and the straw, and then we'll start planting more things. So let me get that done and I'll be right back. Now that I have the containers prepped, I'm going to go ahead and just put the seeds of everything that I'm growing into the bucket so I know what's going where, and then we'll get them planted. All right, in the bucket that we planted are peas. On the other half, I'm going to go ahead and plant some cilantro. So again, I'm just moving aside some dirt, breaking it up so that it's nice and loose. And then I'm just going to plant cilantro seeds all along here, trying to space them out so I don't have to do so much thinning. And then lightly cover them back up with our soil. All right, in this bucket here, we're going to plant our cherry bell radishes. Again, sprinkling them just all over. And then covering them with our soil. Okay, in here is where our parsnips are going. And also in here. Okay, in here we're going to plant our broccoli rabe, and I'm going to do just about 3 seeds in 3 spots in this bucket, because they're going to get nice and big and I can easily thin them out once they come up. So we'll cover these and we'll do 3 more in the bucket across from it. Next up is arugula. Again, just kind of sprinkling these nice and spaced out and covering them, and we will water when we're done. This bucket is our watercress. This bucket here will be our tatsoi when I get it. This bucket is our bok choy. Next up is our spinach. More broccoli rabe. Again, just putting a few seeds in about got 3 spots in this bucket. Next up in these 2 buckets is our rainbow blend carrots. Well, my camera stopped, so here's what we did. We got all of these buckets planted out, covered up, and watered in. And while we're out here, I want to show you some things that have come up for spring. This is my rhubarb. It doesn't look great right now because we did have a pretty cold couple of days. This bucket here is horseradish, which I wasn't sure was going to come back, and it did. None of the garlic in my buckets has come up yet, so that's a little concerning. Because over here, this half of my bed, the garlic has sprouted tremendously. Then on this half, there are just a few little ones coming up here and there, but not a ton. So I'm wondering if hard neck versus soft neck is a difference here. You know, I'm not really sure. Over here in this corner, I've got daylilies coming up. Over here, you can see my surprise lilies coming up. And finally, right here, you can see my giant alliums coming up. So now we have everything planted. I hope things start popping up soon. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.